This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So again, this session, we are going to cover the QA crash course. We have a very precise agenda that we have to cover, but let's go to the agenda so you will understand. We'll go over this introduction of TS4U, TS4U Bootcamp, our success story, process of procedure of TS4U Bootcamp, and then this is the things we are going over. Okay, if someone is interested to join this live session, you can join as well. That simply you just type ts4u.us link QA courses, QA course, and you will come here and you will be registering. You should be good to go. Okay. So of course you will know the project management. It is important. Software development. It is important. Website practical manual testing. It is important. E-commerce backend testing. E-commerce integration testing, e-commerce integration testing between the backend and the database, e-commerce end-to-end testing among the front end, backend, and the database, NoSQL database testing. It is a hell amount of the contents that everything is practical, and you will be gaining the wealth of knowledges from this session. Okay. And we do everything organic, means we build our own platform, we do our own thing. There is no like the dummy website or anything else. So it will be super beneficial for you. It is going to help you to know, to get some idea about the IT, the bootcamp, basically, or IT courses. Okay.